Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate AWS CloudTrail to audit API activity, full guide step by step clearly. To activate AWS CloudTrail to audit API activity, start by signing into the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the CloudTrail service from the Services menu. Once in the CloudTrail dashboard, click on Get Started if this is your first time setting it up. If you already have a trail, choose Create Trail. Enter a name for your new trail in the provided field. Select which S3 bucket you would like to use for log storage. If you do not have an existing S3 bucket, you can create a new one by clicking on Create New S3 Bucket. Ensure that the bucket name is unique across all AWS users. You can also configure an existing bucket to store your CloudTrail logs. Next, consider enabling log file validation to ensure integrity. Decide whether to enable this trail for all regions or restrict it to a specific region. If you want comprehensive coverage, select Yes for all regions. Under Management Events, choose whether to log read-only events, write-only events, or both. For more detailed information, consider logging data events as well. Select any optional settings according to your organization's needs. You can create a new SNS topic for notifications or choose an existing one. Click on Create a new SNS topic if you want to receive notifications for log file delivery. Next, review all your configurations to ensure they meet your requirements. Once confirmed, click on the Create Trail button to finalize the setup. After the trail is created, monitor the CloudTrail dashboard for logs. You will see log entries appear in the S3 bucket after API events occur. To access logs, navigate to the S3 bucket and browse through the folder structure for your CloudTrail logs. For deeper analysis, consider integrating CloudTrail logs with Amazon Athena or a CM tool. Regularly review your CloudTrail settings to ensure they align with your security policies. You are now set up to audit API activity using AWS CloudTrail effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.